The viral sensation Cing Ciripit takes center stage. This traditional Indonesian children's song is taking the internet by storm. The song has found new life on TikTok, captivating a global audience. Its simple melody and interactive hand game have sparked tons of creative videos. This revival highlights social media's power to connect different cultures. It shows how traditions can change and grow in the digital age. The song's origins trace back to West Java, Indonesia. It's been passed down through many generations. Its popularity shows how much it appeals to everyone. Cing Ciripit goes beyond countries and languages. The catchy tune and simple hand movements are instantly appealing. The song's popularity on TikTok proves the power of sharing cultures online. Cultural roots traces of West Java's heritage. Cing Ciripit is deeply woven into the cultural fabric of West Java. It's more than just a children's song. It represents a rich heritage of music, dance, and storytelling. The song's roots are firmly planted in the region's history. It offers a glimpse into the lives and traditions of its people. Cing Ciripit is often performed during social gatherings and celebrations. The game is often played in a circle, fostering a sense of togetherness. Its simple rules make it easy for people of all ages to join in. This cross-generational aspect of Cing Ciripit is really important. It allows older generations to share their cultural heritage. This passing down of traditions ensures that Cing Ciripit stays alive. The simple joy of play. How to play Cing Ciripit. Cing Ciripit is known for its simple rules and engaging gameplay. To play, everyone stands in a circle and holds out one hand, palm up. One person is the leader and sings the song while gently tapping each outstretched hand to the beat. As the song goes on, the leader tries to trick the others. They do this by quickly pulling their hand away before it's tapped. If someone's hand gets tapped, they're out of the game. The last person left becomes the new leader. The game continues with laughter and friendly competition. Cing Ciripit shows how simple games can bring people together. Its easy to learn rules and lively rhythm create a feeling of excitement and friendship among the players. A deeper meaning, unraveling the lyrics' wisdom. While Cing Ciripit is often seen as a light-hearted children's game, its lyrics carry a deeper meaning. The song tells the story of a little bird, which represents innocence and vulnerability. The bird searches for food, representing life's challenges. The lyrics subtly teach children about perseverance, resourcefulness, and the importance of community. Through its simple narrative, Cing Ciripit imparts valuable life lessons. It encourages children to be observant, adaptable, and supportive of one another. These themes resonate deeply with audiences across cultures. They offer timeless wisdom that transcends generations. Cing Ciripit proves that even the simplest songs can carry profound messages. Part 5. The TikTok Embrace, a fusion of tradition and trend. Cing Ciripit's resurgence on TikTok is a cool example of how traditional culture can blend with modern platforms. The song's catchy melody and interactive nature make it a perfect fit for the short-form video format. TikTok users have embraced the song creatively, using it as a backdrop for dance challenges, comedy skits, and musical collaborations. Some videos showcase traditional Cing Ciripit performances, preserving its cultural authenticity. Others feature remixes and modern interpretations, blending Indonesian folk music with contemporary genres like pop and electronic dance music. This mix of old and new has introduced Cing Ciripit to a global audience, sparking curiosity about Indonesian culture. Part 6. Timeless Values, Lessons from a Children's Game. Beyond its entertainment value, Cing Ciripit offers valuable lessons about cultural preservation and the importance of passing traditions down to future generations. The game's enduring popularity highlights the power of simple but meaningful cultural practices. It reminds us that even in a digital age, traditional games and songs can still captivate and connect people. Cing Ciripit's resurgence on TikTok is a heartening example of how technology can be a tool for cultural preservation. By sharing and celebrating this traditional Indonesian song, TikTok users are helping to keep the spirit of Cing Ciripit alive for years to come. Part 7. Preserving Culture, a Digital Imperative. In our increasingly interconnected world, preserving and celebrating cultural diversity is more important than ever. Traditional songs and games like Cing Ciripit offer a window into different cultures, fostering understanding and appreciation. The digital age presents both challenges and opportunities for cultural preservation. On one hand, the rapid pace of technological advancement and globalization can lead to the erosion of cultural identity. On the other hand, platforms like TikTok can serve as powerful tools for sharing and revitalizing traditional art forms. It's up to us to use these tools responsibly and to ensure that cultural heritage isn't lost in the digital age. Part 8. Call to Action, Keeping Traditions Alive. Let the story of Cing Ciripit inspire us to learn more about different cultures and to appreciate the richness and diversity of our world. We can all play a part in preserving cultural heritage by supporting traditional artists, sharing our own cultural traditions, and engaging with diverse cultures both online and offline. Let's embrace the power of technology to connect with people from all walks of life and to keep the flame of tradition burning brightly for generations to come.